Part 1. Introduction and Definition. Hello. Today we're going to learn about the future simple tense. We use the future simple when we talk about things that will happen in the future. That means they have not happened yet, but they're going to happen. There are some words that we use a lot with the future simple. Let's look at them. Tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, soon, in a few minutes, later, someday. For example, I will go to the park tomorrow. They will play football after school. So, when you want to say what you're going to do later, use the future simple. Part 2. When do we use it? So, when do we use the future simple? There are 4 main times we use it. 1. Decisions made at the moment of speaking. Examples: I'm hungry. I think I will make a sandwich. It's cold. I will close the window. 2. Predictions about the future. Examples: it will rain tomorrow. You will be a great artist one day. 3. Promises. Examples: I will help you with your homework. I'll always be your friend. 4. Offers or requests. Examples: I will carry your bag. Will you open the door, please? Part 3. How to make it. Now let's learn how to make the future simple. It's actually very easy. We use will plus space verb. The verb doesn't change. Examples: I will read a book. He will eat lunch at noon. They will travel next week. And remember, we can also use the short form O. Examples: I'll go. She'll come. They'll study. Now, what if we want to say no? We use will not or the short form won't. Subject plus will not or won't plus base verb. Examples: I will not watch TV tonight. She won't go to the party. They won't eat pizza. Okay, let's make questions. To ask a question in the future simple, we switch will and the subject. Will plus subject plus base verb. Examples: will you help me? Yes, I will. Will she come tomorrow? Yes, she will. Will they play football this weekend? No, they won't. Part 4. Practice time. All right, time to practice. Fill in the blanks. 1. I will go to the park tomorrow. 2. She won't eat vegetables. 3. Will you help me with this? 4. They will travel to Japan next year. 5. He won't come today. Perfect. You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing and speaking English every day. See you next time with Maci, English for Kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.